The sound we are going to practice in this video is the sound ma. Repeat after me. Ma. 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 Ma in mad. Again, mad. Map. Again, map. Moon. Again, moon. Milk. Again, milk. Make. Again, make. Marbles. Again, marbles. Mat. Again, mat. Must. Again, must. Mix. Again, mix. What other words have the initial sound ma? Ma in came. Again, came. Smell. Again, smelled. Time. Again, time. Climb. Again, climb. Lamb. Again, lamb. Summer. Again, summer. Small. Again, small. Farmer. Again, farmer. Jump. Again, jump. What other words have the middle sound ma? Ma in arm. Again, arm. Room. Again, room. Drum. Again, drum. Firm. Again, firm. Gem. Again, gem. Charm. Again, charm. Harm. Again, harm. Grum. Again, grum. Rum. Again, rum. What other words have the final sound ma? Now, let's practice phrases with the sound. Ready? Kim made mad again. Kim made mad. Again, Kim made mud. Bought a meat in the market. Again, bought a meat in the market. Make a molded mud. Again, make a molded mud. Mud, man gets mud. Again, man gets mud. Mix of marbles given by the children. Again, mix of marbles given by the children. Now, let's practice sentences with the sound. Ready? I chose a large pumpkin. Again, I chose a large pumpkin. The moon's light seems so bright. Again, the moon's light seems so bright. A man made speech for President Duterte. Again, a man made a speech for President Duterte. There is no man in the moon. Again, there is no man in the moon. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound ma. Repeat after me. Ma. 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 I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.